Okay, good morning everybody. Algebra 2, August 21st. This is Mr. Ramirez. I am making these short videos because I've been told that there's been quite a bit of confusion. So if you can please follow very closely. I will do a set of problems, then yourself with your partners and peers will do the rest. Again, if you have any additional questions, comments, concerns, there are tutorials on Thursday starting next week, August 29th. Again, this is Mr. Ramirez. If you need any help, please reach out to me. Before we get started with the keyword of dimensions, we first need to know what a row and a column is. So over here along to the right side, let's write some quick notes, QN. I do need us to know that there's these braces that will help us determine our matrices. Rows go left to right, columns go up and down. It's the easiest way I can write it out with rows left to right, columns up and down. For dimensions, rows go first, and then columns go second. Basically, we're gonna have our numbers of rows times columns, okay? So if I look at the first example, again, if you need to pause this, please do so. I'm gonna do 1, 3, and 5. You all will do 2, 4, 6. So if I look at this, I have a set of values. I have -5, 13, and 3. How many rows are there out of these three numbers? Don't forget, rows are left to right. So if I go left to right, I see 1, 2, 3. So the dimension is going to be 3 times the amount of columns. Columns is up and down. I only see one column. Times 3. So 3 times 1, 3 rows times 1 column. This can also be abbreviated as the matrix A sub 3 times 1. You don't necessarily need to do this. This is the money maker right here. Looking at number 3. 23 and 47 is one row. -20 and 0 is another row. One row, 2 rows. 2 rows times, let's see how many columns. 1, 2. That's a 2 by 2 matrix. And lastly, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows times how many columns? 1, 2. That's a 4 by 2 matrix. Isn't too crazy, but definitely see what you can find. If you need additional practice, Google's your best friend. You are in charge of 2, 4, 6. Next slide will contain part B. Thank you.